Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing great. If you are new, my name is Lizzie. You are welcome. Please, before you leave, don't forget to hit that subscribe down below. Turn on your notification. Anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. So about this wig, I'm going to leave the link down below. You can check it out. If you have this kind of experience, your wig, you get it tangled when you are washing it, you don't have to throw it away. You just have to put more effort. So the first thing I will do, I will just apply foundation on my cap because it's very light. Then I will arrange it on my head. Then use like trim a little bit of front. Then use a gel to do baby hair.
Tell me what you want to know. Me, I no go lose control. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Tell me low. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private.
Edges down with scarf to make it like dry before finish my makeup. Then I will move to makeup. Start with my eyebrow. Brush it with an eyebrow brush. Then I will be using dark eyebrow pencil. The pencil is not dark enough for me. I will add the light black eyebrow pencil to shine the middle so that it will be more darker for me. If you like it light, is fine.
One cry, I'm feeling her so I want it more. Let me know. Tell me what you want to know. Me, I no go lose control. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Let me know. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. You don't know. Vicky, bad man, point instrumental. Give me the one time. It's okay. Bad Monty will take you there.
I will be using next concealer to clean the down. Then the upside, I will be using foundation to clean the upside. I will be showing you, like, if you don't have two color of concealer, you can still use your foundation to clean the up. Then the brush I will be using, I love this brush. It's for H&M for a long time, and the brush is doing a good job. Then I will just move the scarf up a little bit so that there will be a space for me to clean the up.
Standard. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh no. Baby, I can smoke it out. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Girls, them are random. Me I fit to turn them down. Anywhere we go. See them be hating now. She carry you.
The look I will be going today is smoke eyes. Then I will start by orange to apply it on my crease eyes. Then start applying black. I will be using this in 24 hours black. It comes with two gel on and dry on. I will be using the dry on, applying it step by step. You have to blend it if you are going for smoke eye. Blending matter a lot. It takes time to blend so that you will not just have that line where the orange and black just pass. You will not just have that sharp, like as you can see now, you will not just have that sharp line. It's blended. You have to blend it, guys. Take your time and blend it. I will repeat the process until I'm okay with the blending.
Feeling you, oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling
After applying the black eyeshadow, I always go back with the orange brush to clean it, to make it like not to have that ash line again. I always use the dark and the orange to clean the up.
Baby, make you ginger me, I wanna feel ya. Anything you do, make I feel ya. If I know you, I'ma go talk up. Baby, you rock up. Need for protein, baby. Love you, baby. Yaku, body. I know, say, I just gotta tell you, it's in my mind, you gotta know. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh,
I will wipe my face with makeup remover because of the falling out of the eyeshadow. So I will go back to my everyday glam eyeshadow palette to use the one that is shiny to apply it on top to make it that dull eyeshadow, dark one not to be dull, it will be little bit sparkly.
Feeling you, oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, oh, and I be feeling you, oh.
I will use mascara to stand my natural eyelashes so that it will stand and it will have weight for the synthetic eyelashes to stay on top. Like I was debating which one will I use, is it the long one or the full one, but finally I go for the long one.
Original bad man, you done know.
It's Detangle.
Standard. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh no.
After installing the eyelashes, then I will go back again and press it together so that they will be gummed together. There will not be a space for the middle, and from that it will raise up. Then I will be using Face Studio primer to prime my face. This is very necessary to prime your face.
I know that you're feeling me.
I will be using brush to apply my primer. If your hand is clean, you can use your hand to apply the primer. If your hand is not clean, you can use your brush. So I will be using Ellen Glod foundation and MAC foundation. I will mix it together because anytime I go to shop, they always give me wrong one. I have a lot here, but I just think of mixing two together will bring the color that I'm looking for. Ever since then, I just said, okay, it's good. I will be mixing the two color together because MAC is too light, Ellen Gloss is too dark for me. So that's why I'm mixing it.
Chop your body, girl, like a biscuit. Like a biscuit. Oh yeah, dark she jeje. No, they do me, she get. You want it, come fair.
I will still go back and use same concealer I used to clean under my eyebrow.
Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning.
I will spray water for beauty blend to make it more soft. Something just finished for the little container, then I just fill it with water so that I don't have to be standing up anytime I want to wet it. Because it's wet, it will more like soft for me to use. Then I will go for contour. I will just contour under my cheekbone. The contour is almost finished. I have to get to one.
I say nobody proper than you. I know one boy Henry Germany.
After I apply the contour, I have the old brush that I'm using to like brush it. I don't wash the brush. I always keep it because it's only contour I use this brush for, and my brush is not even in open place where it can take dust. I always lock them inside the box and zip it. Then I will move to finish powder. Just apply it. Still use the phone, but the foam was not taking a lot because it's wet. I just go for brush again and use brush to apply it. Then go for my lip. Use same lead, dark lead, to leave my lip around, and apply lip gloss, just natural lip. I'm not just like going for more vibrant color like that. Ever since I just grabbed this natural lipstick or lip gloss, is just like perfect for me. I always love using it. To finish the look, I will be using MAC powder to dust the finished powder out to make everywhere clean. If there is a dust or powder is not smooth, to make it more smooth. I will be using a dark eye brown to lead under my water eye, then go back to the brush I use for the dark eyeshadow brush, just to use it to brush it again, and the light red I use for the up, use it to blend it down again. That was like 3 or 2 I use for the down.
I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you.
I will be using mascara to stand under my eyelashes.
I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Girls, them are random. Me have to turn them down. Anywhere we go, see them be hating now. She carry us.
I will apply lip gloss on my lip, then move to highlighter. I will just highlight on top of my nose. I don't like highlight the cheek. For doing that, I will be using red blush to blush it. I don't have the name because there is no name. I can't even remember where I buy this one. I was just talking to my kids, making me laugh here, sitting down with me, looking at mommy doing makeup. So I will spray fish spray to make everything intact. I will leave you guys here to finish the rest video. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification. Anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you all. Bye.
And I be